if you can see that they are pushing down on the motherboard, so I guess it would kind of bend it forward, so it would kind of make a pinpoint on the motherboard. So over time, so this is why it happens like almost a year later, that you'll get these errors. I don't know why Microsoft hasn't really fixed them. It's pretty pathetic, but at least it's easy enough to fix. So I'll show you how to continue that. There's just a little information for that. And then to get these heat sinks off, I'll just get another screwdriver. Take these off. You gotta be very, very careful. You don't want to damage the motherboard. Here's this screwdriver set that I used for that other screwdriver, so just get a little bit bigger one. Just enough to stick it in the little hole where, right here. You just pop that out. You gotta be very careful with that, so you don't damage the motherboard. You don't want a big gouge in it, because then it'll probably never turn on again, depending on what you damaged. A little bit difficult to get at. You gotta wiggle it around a little bit. There we go. Got one. You only need to really get two out, and then the rest just kind of pop out.